Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can use Screwfix gift card. So if you want to use or redeem your Screwfix gift card, then there are different ways on how you can do it. The first way is you can use it as a way of payment method, or you can use it to collect points or whatsoever. However, if you want to know more detailed information about it, then you can just open up a browser and on the web address bar type in Screwfix Giftcard/help. That's going to provide you with the exact information that you're actually looking for. So I'm just going to provide you with the link, and then you can go through it and get more information about it. So you can see there's the first link. You have to press on it, and over here you'll be able to see the information regarding the gift card. Now here you'll be provided with the information on how you can redeem your gift card, or how long does it valid, or what things and stuff you can buy using your gift card, or what sort of amount, or how you actually got the gift card, whatever information that you're looking for. All you have to do is just go through the articles and you can just deal with your gift card. In this way you can use your Screwfix gift card. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.